Alright guys, I'm going to do a cold startup of one of our tractors. This one here I actually enjoy starting on a cold morning. It's about 38 degrees out right now. This is our 938G. This is our engine puller. I've done some videos of this one pulling apart cars. They'll come into this building looking like this, and then they'll leave looking like these. Where the drivetrain and everything has been ripped out, the dash, and then they go ahead and cut the rest of the wire out of the vehicles. And that all happens with this claw that comes out of the forks and can grab the dash, engine, transmission, whatever it's going to pull, and it will rip it out of the car. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this one fired up, warmed up. I have to move some cars from the bottom up to the top of the hill to put in to fill some scrap trailers today. Now it's gonna beep here for a little bit, so it's gonna be a little loud. But this has no glow plugs, so she's a little angry when she wakes up in the morning. One of my favorite ones to start, just because it sounds pretty good when it's cold out. We'll let that warm up. If anybody's watching this thing and they know of a tractor salvage yard near them, I'm needing a counterweight for the back of this thing. As you can tell, I'm missing a chunk. One of my employees decided to back into one of the cement pillars over there and break it off. As you can tell, it's laying over there, so I need another counterweight. If anybody knows of one, but I've called a few salvage yards that deal with tractors around, and well, no one seems to have any, so that's unfortunate. So I'm gonna go down to the bottom, should be over there, bring cars up and around and pile them up on top here to load semis today. So, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Appreciate you watching.